Continuing on, CNC Group Break 2518, we're on the 13-14 Artifacts and Trilogy. We've got an auto fax for the Carolina Hurricanes, Tuomo Patch. Tundra Tandems, which would be random between the Capitals and Devils, Alex Ovechkin and Ilya Kovalchuk. We've got a rookie red parallel, number to 299 for the Calgary Flames, Max Reinhart. We've got a rookie blue parallel, numbered 76 of 85 for the Boston Bruins, Dougie Hamilton. Dougie. 85 for the Bruins. Got a goalie insert to 999 for the Pittsburgh Penguins, Marc-Andre Fleury. Team Canada insert to 999 for the Columbus Blue Jackets, Cody Golubeff. Rookie redemption for the Detroit Red Wings, which as of right now would either be Xavier Ouellet or Luke Glendening. Blue parallel, numbered 85 for the Columbus Blue Jackets, Marian Gaborik. And a frozen artifacts for the Buffalo Sabres, Nathan Gerbe. Gerbe. Now for the patch, which is nice. A jersey and 3-color patch, numbered 61 of 75 for the Pittsburgh Penguins, Larry Murphy. All right. On to the Trilogy. Trilogy up in this joint. All right. And we have one hell of a start here. We've got a level 3 rookie autograph, numbered 14 of 49 for the Vancouver Canucks, Jordan Schrader. 14 of 49 for the Canucks, Jordan Schrader. Nice. And we follow that up with an Upper Deck Crystal Premier's rookie, numbered 9 of 125 for the Montreal Canadiens, Brendan Gallagher. And we finish this box with a rookie autograph, number to 699 for the Boston Bruins, Dougie Hamilton.
Doing the Dougie again.
600 of 699.
Sure, you couldn't get his jersey number, huh?
Bite me. All right, Prime and Cup coming up next.